What up, Goatz? So I just want to take this opportunity to talk to you guys for a second. So the video that you guys are about to watch is me getting the G back together, up and running. I blew my motor May 29th actually, and ever since then I've just been contemplating whether or not I should put a new motor in it, junk the car, this, that, the third. I tried doing a motor swap. I tried doing a lot of things, and obviously nothing turned out in my plans. So with that being said, the next clips you're gonna watch, I'm gonna be wearing different clothes in each clip. Just know, every time I change clothes, it's a different day, because not everything happened all in one day or in the same week. If anything, it was months spread apart from each other. So enjoy the video. I'm gonna come back to you guys once the video is done. Let's get it. We at Philly Customs right now, getting ready to pick up my wheels. I know you guys didn't see the wheels before I drop them off, but I'm about to see them now. Jesus Christ. Yo. These shits is hot. Oh my God. Alright, so I ordered the wrong bumper for the car, so now I brought it back to K&J. We're gonna get the new bumper. I already gave it to them. I'm ordering the new bumper right now, and also some other stuff that I need for the body. So yeah. So I'm just leaving out of Philly Customs. I went to go do two things. For one, I needed to get my exhaust. I needed to get the exhaust off the car so that I could sell it, because I bought a new exhaust, which is the HKS exhaust. And then I also need to get my headlights off, because I'm gonna redo the entire headlights. So I'm gonna take it apart. I'm gonna black out the housing, and I'm also gonna do some customizing stuff for the headlights as well. So I just asked him to take the parts off the car so that I could come pick it up later. And then I also came to see the color. Crazy ass color, I love it. This shit is about to look crazy, I'm telling y'all. So stay tuned for that. We're heading now to Philly Customs. I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take my car from Philly Customs and I'm gonna bring it up to K&J Body Shop, because they're saying that it only takes a day to wet sand and buff my car. And the issue that I've been having is that my car has just been sitting there for 2 weeks with no wet sand or buff. So might as well take advantage of this sweet deal. He did already give me a price, so I'm gonna take it to him, hit that wet sand and buff, and I might bring the parts back over to Philly Customs. So, well, not parts, but I'll leave like the body kit there so that Philly Customs can put it back on, because they're the one that put it on, so they know how to put it on the car properly. So I'm about to see right now and figure out what I'm gonna do. So we got another problem, guys. Ain't nothing new. It's always problems. Always problems. We always got problems. Ain't nothing new. At this point, I'm prepared for problems. That's why I'm not even mad. Fuck what you heard. Right? The wheel just fell off. Y'all not ready for it. Bow. Yes, sir. Who else you know get their wheel taken out twice? Me. It was once. It was once. And this is twice. First time was on the highway. Second time, we was just driving out the lot. But ain't nothing but a G thing. All I need is some lug nuts. Get it to my destination, because then these wheels is going bye-bye. And these tires is done too, so winter is coming up, so I really got to get some lug nuts ASAP, and then I also got to get some tires for the baby. Yeah, no cap, she needs an alignment bad. This is my straight, yo. This shit is crazy. Like right now, the steering wheel is straight as a motherfucker. Alright, no, I'm lying. This is straight. This shit crazy. I definitely need an alignment, but fuck it, we'll figure that shit out. And I still got my lights on. I got my VDC off and my slip lights still on with my TPMS sensor. So I gotta fix that. So Finally get to pick up the car, man. This thing looks so sexy. All I'm missing is my grills, but take a look at this. Final steps of everything. The last thing that we had to do was put the spoiler on, then the car would be complete. I do have to do little touch-ups here and there, like to the engine, just to make sure the engine is good, because I was supposed to take it on a braking period, and I haven't driven the car, but I'm pretty sure I passed the braking period just driving back and forth, so I should be good. Take it back to my mechanic so he could check that out. But that's the finished